Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to carry out the rate analysis for the different item of work. Let us start with a question. Cement concrete bedding 1:4:8 for foundation. So before we find the rate analysis, we first have to find out the material calculation. To find that, let us consider a volume as 10 meter cube. This is the wet volume what we have considered. So we need to find the dry volume. So the dry volume of the concrete will be always 1.54 times of the wet volume. So for that reason here I am multiplying the wet volume which is 10 with 1.54. So 1.54 times of 10 gives you a value of 15.4 meter cube. So this comes the dry volume of the concrete. Now whatever the material calculations which you will do further, so that will be depending upon the volume of dry concrete. So now let us, here the proportion which is given in the question is 1:4:8. So for this proportion we need to calculate the materials quantity. So to find that, the first part of the proportion represents the cement and the second represents the sand part, whereas the third part represents the coarse aggregate part. So now let us start finding the materials quantity one by one. Starting with the cement, here to find the cement quantity, you need to consider the volume of the dry concrete, which is of 15.4 meter cube. So let us take 15.4 that divided by total proportion. So let us add this proportion. The proportion is of 1:4:8. Hence you need to sum that value, for which you need to add 1 with 4 with 8. So the summation of this gives you the final value of the proportion, that multiplied by part of the material. Here the cement part is of 1, for which I need to multiply the value with 1 finally. Now you just simplify this. That means you first have to add all the denominator values. Let us add this. 1 plus 4 plus 8. You will get a value of 13. Then 15.4 has to be divided with 13. 15.4 divided by your answer gives a value of 1.1846. So that value has to be multiplied with 1. On multiplying with 1, you will get the same value. Here I am writing 1.184 and that value will be rounded to 1.2 meter cube. Here the quantity of the cement is of 1.2 meter cube. But for 1 meter cube, it requires 30 number of bags of cement. Then how many number of bags of cement will be required for 1.2 meter cube? For that you have to multiply 1.2 with 30. I repeat, for 1 meter cube of volume, it requires 30 number of bags of cement. Similarly, to find for 1.2 meter cube of volume, how many number of bags of cement it requires? For finding that, you have to multiply 1.2 volume with 30 number of bags. So on multiplying 1.2 with 30, you will get 36 number of bags. So totally we require 36 number of bags of the cement for 1.2 meter cube of volume. So that gives you the quantity of the first material, that is cement. Let us find the quantity of the second material, that is sand. So to find this, again we have to consider the dry volume here. The dry volume is 15.4 meter cube. That has to be divided with the total sum of the proportion. The sum is 1 plus 4 plus 8 into the part of the sand you need to take. Here 4 represents the part of sand. Hence you need to multiply the final value with 4. Now by simplifying all this, you will get a value of 4.738. Approximately you take the value as 4.8 meter cube. So this gives you the quantity of the sand. Similarly, let us find the quantity of the stone ballast. To find that, again you have to consider the the dry volume of concrete, which is 15.4 divided by total proportion, that is 1 plus 4 plus 8 into the part of the stone. Here 8 part represents the stone part. Hence we need to multiply this with 8. Then you simplify the total value. On simplifying the total thing, you will get a value of 9.476. Approximately you take the value as 9.5 meter cube. Now we got all the material calculations. So let us write the chart now. Now you need to prepare this type of table. The table should consist of serial number particulars, then quantity, and then rate and amount. So the final calculation of the rate analysis will be made on three bases. One is the material calculation, other the labor calculation, and then the contingency charges. So all these values gives you the final value of the rate analysis of that particular item of work. So let us start with the material calculation. Here the materials which are used are cement, sand as well as stone ballast. So whatever the quantity of material which you have got in the earlier step, the same quantity you need to write here. I got a cement quantity as 36 number of bags. So I need to write the quantity here as 36 in front of cement in terms of bags. So similarly, I got the sand quantity as 4.8 meter cube. Let us write the value here, 4.8 cubic. Similarly, the stone ballast quantity is of 9.5 meter cube. Let us write the value here, 9.5 cubic. Then rate. See, the rate is according to today's rate. So here the cement, one bag of cement cost 330 rupees. Similarly, for 1 meter cube, it costs 1300 of rupees of sand. Similarly, for 1 meter cube, it costs 700 rupees for the stone ballast. So now to find the final amount will be found out by multiplying the quantity with rate. You multiply 36 with 330. So 36 into 330 gives you a value of 11880. So this value gives you the amount for the cement in terms of rupees. That means for 36 number of bags, it requires 11,880 rupees. Then you find out the amount for the sand. You multiply 4.8 with 1300. 4.8 into 1300. You will get 6240. So 6240 rupees. That means for about a 4.8 meter cube of quantity of sand, the amount required is 6240 rupees. Likewise, you multiply these two values. You will get a value of 6650 rupees. Now, the next thing is labor calculation. So, how many number of labor are required for or to build a cement concrete bedding of ratio 1:4:8 for the foundation? Here, three masons or three types of labors are required. Number one, the first type of labor is head mason, and then the mason, and then the mazdoor. So here for the cement concrete bedding of any ratio, the head mason should be of 1/4 number. So only for a 1/4 part of the day only the head mason will visit the site whenever the construction of cement concrete bedding will be carried out. So similarly, so number of mason is required for cement concrete bed is of 2 numbers if the proportion is 1:4:8. For 1:4:8 proportion of cement concrete bedding, it requires 2 number of mason. Now for finding the mazdoor, you multiply these two with the volume of which you have considered in the earlier step. See, we are doing for 10 meter cube here. So you just multiply 2 with 10. So 2 into 10 gives you a number which is equal to 20. So totally 20 number of mazdoors are required for the construction of cement concrete bedding for 10 meter cube of volume. Now all these are the rates which has been fixed per day according to the type of the labor. Now to find the amount, you have to multiply these two values. So multiply quantity with rate, you will get the amount. So let us multiply this. 400 into 1/4. This gives a value of 100 rupees. Then 2 into 390. 2 into 390 gives you 780 rupees. Then 20 into 290. So 20 into 290 gives you 5800. Sorry, here I need to do 2 into 390 is 780. Correct. See, all this represents the amount which are fixed for this type of labors. So this completes the labor calculation. Then moving to the third part, that is contingency part, we will be assuming the lump sum amount of rupees 300. Now, after finding all three values, so you need to add all the values, add all the amounts which are in the amount table or amount column. So let us start with the first value, 11,880 plus 6240 plus 6650 plus 100 plus 780 plus 5800 plus 300. So by adding all the values, I get a value of 31750, which represents the total value as per now. So on adding all the three things, I will get a total value of 31,750 rupees. But for this, I should add 1% of the water charge. So let us find 1% of this value. So to find that, you first type the value. The total amount is 31,750 rupees. You find 1% of this, for which you need to multiply with 1 and divide with 100. So it gives you 317 rupees 50 paise. You just write that value here, 317.50. Now you need to add these two values. So let us add this. Plus 31750. So that gives a value of 32067.50. So which is in terms of rupees. But for this total amount, we need to add 10% of profit. So let us find 10% of profit for the amount here. The amount is 32067.50. So 10% means you need to multiply the value with 10 and divide with 100. So that gives you a rupees of 3206.75. So 10% for this amount is of 3206 rupees 75 paise. Now whatever the value which you got now, along with that you need to add the 10%. So for finding the grand total amount, you need to add these two amounts. So let us add these two amounts. The present total amount is 32067.50 plus 10% of profit, that is 3206.75. Sorry, 3206.75. So that gives a value of 35274.25. So this is the total value or the final value. That means for 10 meter cube of volume, it hardly takes 35,274 rupees 25 paise of cost. If you want to construct a cement concrete bedding which is of 10 meter cube, then the amount required is 35,274.25 rupees. So if this is the amount for 10 meter cube, then what will be the amount for 1 meter cube? What do you have to do? You need to divide the total value with 10. So on dividing the total value with 10, you will get the cost for 1 meter cube. See, you get 3527.425. 3527.425 rupees for 1 meter cube. So this completes the rate analysis for the first item of work, that is cement concrete bedding of proportion 1:4:8 for foundation. And that completes the problem.